Instead of confining themselves to the heavens, God should broaden their horizons in the world below. Exploration, trial. Entering right up my alley.
The day of the final battle is here. Time to go to the Stadium of the Sacred Flame. You can do it, Traveler.
Full throttle!
The Pyro Archon is waiting for you inside.
The sacred flame is even brighter than usual. I don't think I'll ever forget this day.
On behalf of all who never lived to see this moment.
Traveler, Paimon, you're here. Judging by the confident look.
Yep, it's good to go. Shilonen specifically reminded us to show it to you.
Tumaini.
Is that an ancient name?
I heard this is...
Looks like my people are just as curious about this name. Traveler, Paimon. As you can see, with this name, the Wyab entrust to him a monument Tumaini. That is his name. Like
Tumaini.
Hope. After all these endless years of...
Ever since the invasion, for generations we have lived on this land. Following in the footsteps, we all carry that struggle with us. And now, thanks to your this glory... Our suffering will not soon be forgotten. But there will come a day when we can proud for our fallen heroes, our lifelong comrades, and all who forge the path ahead through trial and tribulation. For our homeland, we will click.
No one fight
to battle! We're here. I'm sure you're familiar with the site of the night. The corrosion here is once we set off, we must destroy our final enemy as soon as possible. Otherwise, no amount of resistance to a—
So there's no turning back after this, huh? After you left?
but still. But, while we're still here, come find me when you're ready. Are you ready? All right. I'm sure you remember our final enemy. Since I'm more familiar with this place, all of not let no one fight.
Mauvika already left, so Hyman still remembers her promise. Hyman's not some kid who's afraid always. You're not in this
Engines! Something feels familiar. Full throttle! Incinerate! Light of the blazing sun!
Suffering! Let's
Pyroclastic surge!
Desolation!
Rev the engines! Incinerate! Light of the blazing sun!
Hey, sis. It's actually...
Out of all the
If the past...
You're right. It's too bad we don't have...
Your plan is on... Oh, I'm real... Back then, I said I'd come find you one day. But...
You didn't fail.
Wait. Then...
Yeah.
I'm so...
No. They never forgot their debt to you. I learned a lot about you.
Sounds like I placed my trust in the right people. Everything I wrote, though, it's probably outdated now. Oh well, but I didn't have time. You never took time for...
No, it wasn't necessary. Besides, I made, in the end, the method you used to...
I'm...
All right.
I believe in you for Natlan.
Don't worry, we're here to help. The abyssal pylons are being protected by some kind of power. They can't be destroyed right now. Taking care of these monsters first might give us an opening.
Gather!
Let's light it up! Let's light it up! Yeah, I'm going in!
Try and stop me! Pyroclastic surge! Rev the engines! Wrath from the sky! Incinerate!
Everybody stand!
I will have order. Solidify!
Incinerate! Full throttle! Incinerate! Pyro-
Into the shadows. Time to testify.
Rev the engines! Incinerate!
Teamwork is dreamwork!
Wrath from the sky! Try and stop me! Incinerate!
Order guide you. Gather!
Ready.
I didn't expect to see. You can leave this place to us. When the monsters attack again, we got to see the square makes it. It pains me not. Mualani will grow.
Light it up!
It's you!
We meet again. Vichama told me about...
More importantly, it's all thanks to you and Sigla.
The path ahead has been...
I'll take care of... Come on, follow me.
Of course. It's dangerous out there, so stay close. More monsters! Leave them to me.
I've got your back.
Loaded. Pyroclastic surge! Try and stop me!
Stabilize.
Into the shadows.
Yes! Coco, we made it! Come on, time to teach them a lesson. We're the Flower Feather Clan's top adventurers. Let's show them what we're made of.
Wrath from the sky! Incinerate! Rev the engines!
Whoa, you're as strong as ever.
Huh. Who are these two?
We all have our own, but right now,
Definitely.
then let's go. I know your guide.
So strong. The power of the Abyss is protecting it. It's almost impenetrable.
Leave it to me. Time for the Abyss to face its reckoning.
Dreamwork! Full throttle! Pyroclastic surge!
I will have order.
Solidify.
Hunt them down. Ready.
That was amazing.
I've never seen.
But
Yes, I was the shamans of.
So you're him?
It was in unlike my right. I was the most ideal. That is what the glory of. I have my. Due to the limitations of the ley lines, we can go no further.
But don't worry.
You will become the.
you're a special.
The light will continue. Go now. This time.
Try and stop me!
Hey, traveler. Need some help? Doctors can be really handy in an emergency. With your special go now. Huh? What was that? I felt oh, I was wondering where she went. Well, that just means we've got even less time to waste. I never liked causing trouble, and I'm really glad all those years. Anyway, that was enough for me. Back to the natural order. All right, I would say go now.
I embrace.
I trust.
I acknowledge.
I welcome.
I follow. I walk with. Tenoch, the one and many.
Let my people light up your path. Mauvika is just up ahead. Now, go and bring forth a miracle reserved for the divine. You, the kindling we know as humanity.
Maybe I wasn't meant for this.
Resistance is futile.
War is nothing but a hopeless struggle. If you so yearn for the agony of death, then bow down to its true appearance!
You who traverse the stars, fear not. Natlan has placed its trust in you. Descender, ignite your fire, the hope that burns within. I have witnessed the light of this flame.